नमः सर्वेभ्यः भवतां सर्वेषां सुस्वागतम्. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to our Samskrita Dinam. On this day, we have to remember and pay homage to Natarajan Mama, who was instrumental in starting Sanskritam and chanting in YICG. Though I was not fortunate enough to be in his class, I have heard his students talk very highly about him. They were very fond of him and enjoyed his classes immensely. Pavitra, who was his student, will talk more about Natarajan Mama a little later. I started teaching Sanskritam at YICG 3 years ago. Last year, a fresh batch of students joined, and we were in need of another teacher. Pavitra, who was in my class, was willing to take on the responsibility. And I'm very happy to say that she has been an excellent teacher and very capable. I even like to think that even if any of our students is a little thinking of leaving Sanskritam, they won't because of Pavitra being the teacher. They enjoy her classes so much. So I know all this because on the WhatsApp, the conversation that goes on between all of them is like amazing. So I know they are a group and they love to be with each other. And now we have a total of 11 students, and all of them are very enthusiastic and they are committed to learning Sanskritam. It's a pleasure to teach them. Today, you will have a glimpse of their hard work. Thank you. इदानीम् अद्यतन समारम्भकार्यक्रमस्य उल्लेखनं करिष्यामि. वयम् आदौ प्रार्थनां कुर्वन्तः आरम्भं करिष्यामः. अनन्तरं प्रथमवर्गस्य छात्राः एकं लघु रूपकं प्रदर्शयिष्यन्ति. ततः परं द्वितीयवर्गस्य छात्राः एकं भिन्नं विषयं स्वीकृत्य तस्मिन् विषये वदिष्यन्ति. कार्यक्रमस्य अन्ते पवित्रा भगिनी कृतज्ञता प्रकटयिष्यन्ति. इदानीं प्रार्थना.
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्.
संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्.
संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन्
आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् हिन्दुधर्मं समाजं च पवित्रां संस्कृतिं तथा संरक्ष्य ननुकुर्याम विश्वं शान्तिसमन्वितम्। Sarvebhyah namaskaraha. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you all for coming. As Meena Mami mentioned, this year I am teaching the beginners class in Sanskrit. And right now we are going to be presenting the beginners class performance. Basically, it's a Sanskrit skit. And that's going to be following a short introduction of all the members of the beginners group. And the Sanskrit skit is going to be a conversation between different friends who are meeting after a while. And we have made it such that everyone will be able to relate to and enjoy this, irrespective of the Sanskrit knowledge. So hopefully you all enjoy this. And please pay close attention to the conversation because we are going to be having a short quiz after that. All right. Hope you all enjoy.
नमो नमः। मम नाम भुवना। अहं न्यू हैड पार्क उपनगरे मम कुटुम्बेन सह वसामि। अहं YICG विद्यालये संस्कृत प्रथमावर्गे विद्यार्थिनी अस्मि।
नमो नमः। मम नाम सुजन। अहं न्यू हैड पार्क नगरे मम कुटुम्बेन सह वसामि। अहम् अंकिका अस्मि।
नमो नमः। मम नाम मधु। अहं सयासक नगरे मम कुटुम्बेन सह वसामि। अहं YICG विद्यालये शिक्षिका अस्मि। छात्रा अपि अस्मि।
नमो नमः। मम नाम प्रभा। अहं न्यू हैड पार्क नगरे मम कुटुम्बेन सह वसामि। अहं वैद्या अस्मि।
नमो नमः। मम नाम पवित्रा। अहं YICG विद्यालये संस्कृत प्रथमावर्गे पाठयामि। वयम् एकं संस्कृत सम्भाषणं प्रदर्शयामः। एतत् दृष्ट्वा भवन्तः सर्वे अतीव सन्तोषम् अनुभविष्यन्ति इति अस्माकम् आशा। धन्यवादः। नमो नमः भगिन्यः।
नमो नमः।
भवत्यः कथं सन्ति?
समीचीनम्।
अति उत्तमम्।
सम्यक् अस्मि।
बहु समीचीनम् अस्मि।
भवतीः दृष्ट्वा अहम् अतीव सन्तुष्टम् अस्मि।
वयमपि अतीव सन्तुष्टाः स्मः।
अद्य प्रभायाः जन्मदिनम् अस्ति।
बहु समीचीनं। प्रभे, शुभं जन्मदिनम्।
शुभं जन्मदिनं प्रभे।
जन्मदिनस्य शुभाशयाः।
जन्मदिनस्य शुभकामनाः।
धन्यवादः भगिन्यः।
वयं जन्मदिनगीतं गायामः वा?
आम्, अवश्यम्। जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्।
जन्मदिनमिदं मयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्।
प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु।
प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वां च रक्षतु।
पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्।
पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्। पामगाम पाद पामरी गमापमा जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्।
रि 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 ग ग ग म म म प प प भ
अति सुन्दरम्। एतत् संस्कृतगीतं श्रुत्वा अतीव आनन्दम् अनुभवामि। धन्यवादः सख्यः।
स्वागतं ब्रवे। अद्य विशेष जन्मदिन कार्यक्रमः अस्ति वा?
आम्, अहं प्रातःकाले 8 देवालयं गतवती। सायङ्काले मम कुटुम्बेन सह उपाहारगृहम् आगमिष्यामि।
अति उत्तमं प्रभा भगिनी। भुवना भगिनी, भवत्याः शाटिका बहु सुन्दरी अस्ति।
धन्यवादः मधु भगिनी।
कस्मात् आपणतः क्रीतवती?
मम गृहस्य समीपे एकः भारतीय आपणः अस्ति, तस्मात् क्रीतवती।
तत्र बहु विविधता अस्ति वा?
आम् मधु भगिनी।
सम्यक्। अहं मम मात्रे मातृदिवसार्थं शाटिकां क्रेतुम् इच्छामि।
अति उत्तम विचारः। अन्य भगिन्यः मातृदिवसार्थं किं कुर्वन्ति?
अहं मम गृहे विश्रामं करोमि।
सम्यक् विचारः सूसन्। अहं मम कुटुम्बेन सह फ्लशिंग देवालयं गमिष्यामि। तत्र मातृदिवसे विशेष भोजनं करिष्यामि।
समीचीनम्। अहं प्रसादनगृहं गमिष्यामि। तत्र फेशियल्, पेडिक्यूर्, मेनिक्यूर् इत्यादि कारयिष्यामि।
उत्तमं सख्यः। मम तु मातृदिवसे चिकित्सालये कार्यमस्ति।
अत्र अहं मम पुत्रस्य गतवर्ष पारितोषिकस्य प्रतीक्षाम् इदानीमपि कुर्वन्ती अस्मि।
ओ पवित्रा।
मम गृहस्य समीपे पुष्प उत्सवः अस्ति। वयं महिलाः गमिष्यामः वा?
अतीव उत्तम विचारः मधु। अहम् अवश्यम् आगच्छामि।
अहं सायङ्काले आगमिष्यामि।
सम्यक्। सायङ्काले वयं गच्छामः।
अद्भुतं सख्यः। अहमपि आगन्तुं प्रयत्नं करोमि। मातृदिवसस्य शुभाशयाः। अग्रिमभानुवासरे पुनर्मिलामः।
मातृदिवसस्य शुभाशयाः।
मातृदिनस्य शुभेच्छा।
मातृदिवस शुभकामनाः।
मातृदिवसे शुभाशयाः। पुनर्मिलामः।
पुनर्मिलामः।
Thank you. So I hope you all enjoyed the conversation. Were
Very
you all able
nice.
to hear that?
Beautiful. Beautiful. That was so good.
The song was really beautiful.
They were looking advanced students.
Very entertaining, Pavitra.
It's going to be a very hard act to follow.
Thank you. And okay, so whose birthday is today? Did you all catch that?
Prabha.
Prabha.
Yeah, today is Prabha's birthday. It's actually really her birthday today. Happy birthday, Prabha.
Happy birthday, Prabha.
Happy birthday, Prabha.
Happy birthday, Prabha.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Prabha.
Birthday, Prabha.
Janmadina Subhecha.
Shubham Janmadinam.
Thank you.
Yeah, just make sure that you celebrate more than what you mentioned in the video.
I will try. Thank you.
And so what are all of our plans for Mother's Day?
I think one of you wanted to go. I mean, one person wanted to go have a
Pushputsav.
pedicure, manicure. One person wanted to sleep, relax at home. Yeah, right.
And flowers. Go back.
And you wanted to go to the temple to have the Mother's Day special meal.
Yeah.
I want to say everything.
So we all are planning to go somewhere, right? We all are planning to go. Where are we all?
I think except Prabha, who has to work.
But Prabha also yeah, that's great point, Jayanti. But Prabha is also planning to join us in the evening.
Oh, good. At the Madhu's flower thing show or something.
Flower show.
Yeah.
So Madhu, it's a lot of pressure for you.
Yeah, Madhu, are we going to join you at the flower show?
Sure, it's not mine. So obviously you all can come. I'm just taking everybody to a Hicks nursery or that's it.
Or maybe we should go with you to the temple, Pavitra, for a special meal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have a lot of options. We can do whatever we like.
The
Yeah.
planting fields arboretum should be fine too.
Huh? Yeah, any other comments or questions about any doubts?
It was really lovely. Honestly, everybody was so clear. It was beautiful. Thank you.
Great job,
It
Pavitra.
was a great job.
Thank
Great
you.
job, Pavitra.
Yeah.
I think everybody spoke with so much of diction, actually. It's
Yeah,
not just,
absolute diction.
yeah, that was a beautiful one. Kudos to everyone, your students, everyone.
Pavitra, amazing job. I think being both a student and a teacher, you're like double whammy, but I think you and your team, amazing, all of you. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. We give all the credit to Pavitra. The students don't take any
You
credit.
guys
It's
have come a
all-
long way in one year, is it? Or some of you are learning over a year? I don't know.
I think it's all 1 year only.
1 year, amazing. How easily you converse.
Pavitra, I'm joining your class now.
Yeah, congratulations, everybody. Yeah, amazing job.
Is it too late to join for me?
No, mommy. Anytime you have a free pass.
It's never too late.
Everybody's welcome and thank you so much. I give all the credit to the students and also to Meena Mami, who has been helping me from behind to come up with everything. Thank you so much.
I have a question.
Okay.
Did you end up getting the present from your son, or are you still waiting?
That's what I was about.
That only next week will decide.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks a lot. And now we are going to have the presentations from the adult Sanskrit group. So right now, Kiranji is going to start the presentation from the adult Sanskrit group, and let me make sure I put her in the spotlight.
I just did, Pavitra.
Perfect. Please go ahead, Kiranji.
नमो नमः मम नाम किरण बाला गुप्ता अहम अमेरिका देशे न्यूयॉर्क राज्ये दीर्घद्वीपे वसामि मम पति अहम गृहिणी अस्मि मम पतिः वैज्ञानिक अस्ति मम एकः पुत्रः एका पुत्री च स्त संस्कृतं मह्यं बहु रोचते संस्कृतं सरल भाषा इयं भाषा देववाणी भाषा इति कथ्यते संस्कृत अस्माकं सन्मार्गम् उपरि प्रेरयति संस्कृतम् एव यत् भाषा यस्यां यत् लिख्यते तदेव पठ्यते इदानीम् अहम् एकां कथां गायामि शृगालः द्राक्षा च आङ्ग्लभाषायां यदि वदामि चेत् फॉक्स एंड द ग्रेप्स कृपया शृणोतु एकः शृगालः वनं गच्छति सः वनं गच्छति एकः शृगालः वनं गच्छति पिपासा तस्य बुभुक्षा पिपासया बुभुक्षया वनं गच्छति सः वनं गच्छति तत्र गच्छति किमपि न लभते तत्र गच्छति किमपि न लभते इतोपि गच्छति किमपि न लभते श्रान्तः जायते खिन्नः जायते सः श्रान्तः जायते खिन्नः जायते किं च करोति सः किं च करोति किं च करोति सः किं च करोति वामतः पश्यति दक्षिणतः पश्यति अग्रतः पश्यति पृष्ठतः पश्यति वामतः पश्यति दक्षिणतः पश्यति अग्रतः पश्यति पृष्ठतः पश्यति स्वेदः जायते तृषा जायते तस्य स्वेदः जायते तृषा जायते किं च करोति सः किं च पश्यति सः किं च पश्यति किं च पश्यति सः किं च पश्यति पश्यति द्राक्षालता सः पश्यति द्राक्षालता सः पश्यति द्राक्षाफलम् उपरि उपरि लतासु दृश्यते तत्फलम् उपरि उपरि लतासु दृश्यते तत्फलम् अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसः जायते अनुक्षणं तन्मुखे रसः जायते किं च करोति सः किं च करोति किं च करोति सः किं च करोति एकवारम् उत्पतति द्विवारम् उत्पतति त्रिवारम् उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति एकवारम् उत्पतति द्विवारम् उत्पतति त्रिवारम् उत्पतति पुनः पुनः उत्पतति स्वेदः जायते श्रमः जायते तस्य स्वेदः जायते श्रमः जायते किं च कथयति सः किं च कथयति किं च कथयति सः किं च कथयति आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम् आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम् आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम् आम्लं द्राक्षाफलम् इत्येवं कथयति सः पलायते इत्येवं कथयति सः पलायते इत्येवं कथयति सः पलायते धन्यवादः नमस्ते
धन्यवादः किरण भगिनी
Very nice.
धन्यवादः मधुरम्
Love the story.
आशा भगिनी अस्ति वा आशा भगिनी
सर्वेभ्यः नमस्काराः मम नाम आशा अहं पूर्वं भारतदेशे दिल्ली नगरे वसामि अहं विश्वविद्यालये जीवशास्त्रं पाठयामि स्म इदानीम् अहम् अमेरिका देशे न्यूयार्क नगरे 51 वर्षतः अस्मि अहं छात्रा अस्मि अहं संस्कृत भाषां बहु उत्साहेन इच्छामि अद्य अहं मयूरः भारत राष्ट्रीय खगः अस्मि अहं कार्तिकेय भगवतः वाहनम् अस्मि सर्प मम वैरिः अस्मि अहं सर्वभक्षी अस्मि मम बहुवर्णयुक्तं पिच्छम् अति सुन्दरम् अस्ति अस्मिन् नील हरित नीललोहित वर्णाः
सन्ति। यदा वृष्टिः भवति तदा मह्यं पिच्छं प्रसाराय नृत्यं कर्तुं रोचते। जनाः मम नृत्यम् आनन्देन पश्यन्ति। मम सौन्दर्यं नृत्यं च दृष्ट्वा भवन्तः अपि मुदितवन्तः खलु? धन्यवादः। जयतु संस्कृतं, जयतु मनुकुलम्।
Sundaram, Sundaram. Dhanyavadah.
Ati Sundaram. Very nice.
Wow.
Thank you.
Awesome, Asha.
Beautiful, Ashanti.
Ashanti, you took it to a totally different level. It was beautiful. Expressions and costumes and everything. Beautiful.
She's amazing. Yeah.
Dhanyavadah, Asha Bhagini. Asha Bhagini. Astu va.
नमो नमः। मम नाम हर्ष पद्मनाभन। अहम अमेरिका देशे न्यूयॉर्क राज्ये सेल्डन् नगरे वसामि। 10 वर्षपूर्वम् अहं स्टोनी ब्रुक् महाचिकित्सालयात् निवृत्तिं प्राप्तवती। इदानीम् अस्मिन् चिकित्सालये अहं मन्त्रधारी अध्यापिका च अस्ति। ज़ूम माध्यमे भारतदेशस्य प्रौढमहिलाः पाठयामि अपि। ता जिप्सी समुदायात् अस्ति। तदर्थं तासां मातापितरौ कार्यार्थे गृहात् दूरं गच्छति स्म। बाल्यकाले तासां ज्येष्ठपुत्रया कार्याणि कुर्वन्ति स्म। तासां महिलानां बाल्यकाले पठनं विद्या अभ्यासं न अभवत्। अहं तासां विद्या अभ्यासे सहायकं कुर्वन्ती अस्मि। ता अपि परिश्रमेण अभ्यासं कुर्वन्त्यः सन्ति। ता प्रौढशिक्षणं सम्पूर्णं कुर्युः इति मम इच्छा। गुजरात राज्यस्य शिक्षण विभागः तासां कृते विशेष व्यवस्थां कर्तुम् अङ्गीकरोत्। मम निवृत्ते अनन्तरं संस्कृतं पठामि इति चिन्तितवती। अस्मिन् वयसि किमर्थं संस्कृतं पठति इति मां मित्राणि पृच्छन्ति। मम एतस्य विषये अभिप्राय एवम् अस्ति। अस्माकं संस्कृत भाषा सुन्दरी, प्राचीना, सरल भाषा च अस्ति। तस्य रचना अद्भुत अस्ति। तस्या विशेषाः अर्थशास्त्रं, रसायनशास्त्रं, योगशास्त्रं, नक्षत्रशास्त्रम्, आयुर्वेदः, पुराणाः, कथाः, गणितम् इत्यादि बहवः अमूल्याः सन्ति। अस्मिन् काले अपि विश्वस्य नानी जनाः साहित्यकाराः एतस्य विषये अङ्गीकृतवन्ति। अहम् अपि वेदं, गीतां, कथाः च ज्ञातुम् इच्छामि। एतेन कारणेन संस्कृतं पठितुम्। इदानीम् अहम् एकं सुभाषितं तस्य अर्थः अपि वदामि। कृपया शृणोतु। हंसः हंसः श्वेतो श्वेतकलरः, हंसः श्वेतो बको श्वेतो, को भेदो बकहंसयो। हंसः श्वेतो बकः श्वेतः, को भेदो बकहंसयो। निर्क्षिरे विवेकं तु हंसः हंसः बकोः बकोः। पुनः वदामि, हंसस्वेतो बकः स्वेत, को भेदो हंस बकहंसयोः, निरशीरि क्षीरविवेकं तु हंसोः हंसः बकः बकः। अर्थ इवम् अस्ति, हंसस्य बकस्य वर्ण श्वेत एव अस्ति, किन्तु तयोः बकः हंसयोः गुणस्वभावस्य किञ्चन अन्तरम् अस्ति। जलयुक्त शिरात् शिरस्य विवेचनं कर्तुं हंसस्य सामर्थ्यमस्ति, बकस्य असामर्थ्यं ज्ञातुं शक्नुमः। तात्पर्यम् अति अस्ति, लोके समानानि वस्तूनि अनेकानि द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः, चेदपि तेषां महत्त्वं सन्दर्भकारणानि भवेयुः। तानि कारणानि दृष्ट्वा एव वयं तेषां मूल्यम् अवगन्तुं शक्नुमः। अहम् आङ्ग्लभाषायै एव अर्थं पुनः वदामि। Many things in universe might look similar. One certain situation will reveal the true nature of them and enable us to understand their qualities. इदानीम् अहम् अन्य सुभाषितं वदामि। तेषाम् उदाहरणं भिन्न अस्ति, परन्तु तस्य अर्थं समानं भवति। एतस्य उदाहरणेन तां कल्पना कर्तुं शक्नोति संस्कृतभाषाया अमूल्यताः। कृपया द्वे सुभाषितं शृणोतु। काकः कृष्णः, पीकः कृष्णः। काकः कृष्णः ब्लैक, पीकः कृष्णः। को भेद पीककाकयोः? वसन्तकाले सम्प्रते काकः काकः, पीकः पीकः। धन्यवादः। जयतु संस्कृतं, जयतु YICG, जयतु मनुकुलं, जयतु मीना महोदय। नमस्ते।
Very nice, Harshanti. Very nice.
Harsha, धन्यवादः. Very interesting.
Beautiful job. Yeah, great.
पवित्र भगिनी अस्ति?
नमो नमः। मम नाम पवित्रा। अहं मम कुटुम्बेन सह प्लेन्व्यू उपनगरे वसामि। अहं ज़ीब्रा कार्यालये अभियन्त्री अस्मि। इदानीम् अहं भागवतपुराणात् भक्तप्रह्लादस्य कथां वदामि। भक्तप्रह्लादः विष्णोः परमभक्तः आसीत्। यदा सः तस्य जनन्याः उदरे आसीत्, तदा नारदमुनेः उपदेशं प्राप्तवान्। अतः सदा भगवत्स्मरणं कृतवान्। किन्तु तस्य पिता हिरण्यकशिपुः अभक्तः महा असुरः आसीत्। श्रीब्रह्मात् वरं प्राप्य त्रीन् लोकान् पराजितवान्। स्वयमेव देवः इति चिन्तितवान्। गुरुकुले शिष्येभ्यः सः एव देवः इति उपदेशितवान्। किन्तु तस्य पुत्रः प्रह्लादः नारायणस्य परमभक्तः आसीत् खलु। अतः सः सर्वे छात्रान् नारायणः एव देवानां देवः इति बोधितवान्। सर्वे छात्राः अपि नारायणाय नमः नारायणाय नमः इति उक्तवन्तः। एतत् श्रुत्वा हिरण्यकशिपुः अतीव कुपितः अभवत्। प्रह्लादाय अनेकानि कष्टानि दत्तवान्। प्रह्लादं पर्वतात् नुदितवान्। तस्य भगिनी होलिकायाः सहायेन प्रह्लादम् अग्नौ अपि स्थापितवान्। किन्तु नारायणः सदा प्रह्लादं रक्षितवान्। हिरण्यकशिपुः पृष्टवान्, नारायणः कुत्र अस्ति? प्रह्लादः उक्तवान्, नारायणः सर्वत्र अस्ति। मयि अस्ति, भवती अस्ति, स्तम्भे अस्ति, सर्वत्र अस्ति। हिरण्यकशिपुः एतत् स्तम्भे अस्ति वा इति पृष्ट्वा तस्य गदाय स्तम्भं ताडितवान्। तदा साक्षात् महाविष्णुः नरसिंहरूपेण स्तम्भात् आगतवान्। हिरण्यकशिपुं नखैः मारितवान्। अनन्तरं नारायणः प्रह्लादं वात्सल्येन अनुगृहीतवान्। वयमपि प्रह्लादः एव भक्त्याः भगवन्तं प्रार्थयामः। धन्यवादः।
Very nice. Beautiful.
धन्यवादः पवित्र भगिनी।
Very nice, Pavitra. Congratulations. Yeah.
Congrats. Very
Excellent.
fluent. You're very fluent. Very nice.
Thank you.
Every word we understood.
Very nice, Pavitra.
Yes, we understood every word.
Everything.
Thank you,
Beautiful,
Pavitra. Thank you so much. Just delicious, delicious story.
Thank you so much. And now over to Rooney.
नमो नमः। सर्वेभ्यः सुस्वागतम्। मम नाम रूनी रत्नम् अस्ति। पश्चिम बांग्लादेशतः 4 वासरात् पूर्वम् अमेरिकादेशम् आगतवती। बाल्यकाले अहं मम माता मया सह मन्दिरं गच्छति स्म। पश्चिम बांग्लादेशे दुर्गा पूजां बहु उत्तमरीत्या उत्सवरूपेण आचरन्ति स्म। पश्यतु, तत्र व्याघ्रस्य उपरि दशभुजा महिषासुरमर्दिनी दृष्ट्वा अति आनन्दम् अनुभवामि। व्याघ्रः अधुना अहं पश्यामि दुर्गायाः वाहनं सिंहम् अस्ति। तत् मह्यं न रोचते। किमर्थं सिंहम् इति व्याकुलेन चिन्तयामि। परन्तु कानिचित् पुस्तकानि पाठित्वा अहम् अवगच्छामि सिंहमेव दुर्गामातातुः वाहनम् अस्ति। परन्तु मम हृदये तु व्याघ्रः एव तिष्ठति। अम्बायाः 9 रूपाणि सन्ति। तास्मान् नामानि शैलपुत्री, ब्रह्मचारिणी, चंद्रघंटा, कूष्मांड, स्कंदमाता, कात्यायनी, कालरात्रि, Mahagauri, and Siddhidatri cha Santi. Prathama Shailaputri, tasya pita Himavaneva tasyai ekam simham dattavan. Atra Durga Matuhu Vahanam Mahishaha asti. Brahmacharini Rupe Vahanam Nasti. Tritiyaha, Chaturtyaha, Panchamyaha, Shashtyaha cha Rupeshu Vahanam Simham asti. Vyaghram nas Kechit lekhaha vadanti swatantrata sangrama kale janaha Durga matre vyaghra vahanena asrujan etaha vyagraha swatantra yuddhasya chinhaha abhavat. Ya Devi sarvabhuteshu shakti rupena sanstita. Namastasyai, 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 namo namaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Very nice.
Very nice, Roni.
Great job. Great job. Learned something more today.
Thank you. Thank you, Rani. That was just amazing.
Dhanyavadaha. And now, Jyotika Bhagini. Astu va.
सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। मम नाम ज्योतिका। पूर्वम् अहम् इंग्लैंड देशे कथक, भंगरा, रास गरबा, राजस्थानी च नृत्यानाम् अध्ययनं कृतवती। इदानीं न्यूयॉर्क नगरे बॉलीवुड नाट्यं पाठयामि। प्रति शनिवासरे YICG विद्यालये नृत्य पाठनं, संस्कृत पठनं च करोमि। मह्यं संस्कृतं बहु रोचते। अद्य अहं संस्कृतेन वदन् नृत्यं प्रदर्शयामि। एषा कथक नर्तकी अस्ति। एतत् नृत्यम् उत्तरभारतदेशे प्रचलति। उदाहरणार्थं किञ्चित् प्रदर्शयामि। ता थै थै तत् आ थै थै तत् 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 ता। एषा भरतनाट्यं करोति। एषा शैली दक्षिणभारते प्रदर्श्यते। पंजाब राज्ये पुरुषाः भंगरा नृत्यं कुर्वन्ति। रास गरबा नाट्यं प्रायशः गुजरात राज्ये पुरुषाः महिलाः च मिलित्वा कुर्वन्ति। उदाहरणार्थम् इदम्। सर्वेषु नृत्यशैलीषु सुन्दराणि वस्त्राणि आभूषणानि च धारन्ति। अतः जनाः नृत्यकार्यक्रमं द्रष्टुम् इच्छन्ति। धन्यवादः।
Very nice, Jyotika. Added another version. It was
Correct,
very
I know.
nice.
Beautiful job. Yeah.
And it was great to see Shailene dance too.
Very nice,
That was
Jyotika.
amazing.
Special surprise.
Very nice, Jyotika.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pavitra Bhagini.
Thank you, Rooney. Again, good evening, everybody. And this occasion reminds us of S.K. Nadarajan Mama. He was the one who started Sanskrit class at YICG, and some of us who have been his students from the beginning will be able to relate to what I'm talking about right now. So he had such great enthusiasm and passion and dedication when he started that. And I remember during the class, some of us used to joke around saying, Mama, you're too ambitious for us, right? And then he used to say, somebody should have an ambition, right? So let me be ambitious for you guys. And I really want you guys to speak fluently and understand everything in like less than 3 years. And it was actually his dream to have a grand Sanskritam day in the YICG auditorium. So we had been seeing that every single class, and we really remember him and our prayers and our namaskarams to him on this occasion. And I'm really happy that we are able to start this tradition that he had dreamt of. And again, our prayers to him. And we have been fortunate to have Meena Mami take over and teach us Sanskritam from that point onwards. And of course, Meena Mami's dedication doesn't need any separate explanation. It's we all have been experiencing this for so many years now. I think this is the 3rd year we are doing with Meena Mami. And even pre-COVID, before we all resorted to online learning, whenever we used to have breaks at YICG, she used to have online lessons. She used to do Skype lessons to all of us. And she's always available. She's always available to teach, and she's always available for discussions. And it's just so amazing. And thank you so much, Meena Mami. Dhanyavadaha, Meena Mahodaye. And I would like to thank Rooney ji. Again, she's been hosting Zoom sessions, and she initiated the Sanskritam Day, and she's been sharing with us a lot of tips and tricks and all her enthusiasm and energy with all of us. And again, thank you so much, Rooney ji, for everything that you do. And I would like to thank Kiran ji. Again, she's a Sanskrit wizard and always tries to share everything, all the materials related to Sanskrit, any classes, any workshops. she always shares with us, always shares the knowledge with us. And again, thank you so much, Kiranji, and thank you so much for the wonderful singing. And again, Harshaji, wonderful. Like you always share your wisdom and knowledge with all of us, every single class. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for the wonderful Subhashitani presentation. And Ashaji, again, same thing. You always share a lot of wisdom with all of us, and it's so much fun. And of course, today it was like a mind-blowing performance and an act. So that's like taking to another level. Thank you so much. And thank you, Jyotika, for creating such a beautiful flyer. And of course, your grand finale and so we all enjoy your dance, and today you combined dance and Sanskrit, and that was again another level. Thank you so much. It was just so much enjoyable. And I would like to thank Meena Mami and YACG group for giving me an opportunity to be the teacher for the beginners class. And it's just such an enthusiastic group. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Prabha, Bhuvana, Susan, Sheetal Soni, and Madhu Allu for making my weekends every single week. You know, it's just, I thoroughly enjoy this, and thank you so much. And thanks to all the family members for putting up with all our show off of Sanskrit skills, especially recently. Thank you.
It was indeed a show off.
And last but not the least, thanks to all the audience who decided to come and support us and cheer us. And that's really very encouraging. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. And over to
Thank you all.
If I could
Thank you,
just-
Pavitra.
Thank you, Pavitra.
Thank you very much, Pavitra. I'll be very proud of you guys. Thank you for doing this.
Beautiful job, Pavitra.
Thank you, Pavitra. Thank you, Meenaji. Thank you, Roni.
You're so
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being available to all of us at any time. And you're all so enthusiastic. And every time I stumble over something, you go, don't worry. It's just practice. It's just practice. You have maintained our enthusiasm. So thank you so much, Meena Mahoday.
I think on personal level, I want to thank each one of you to pull me up through the class. I joined in the middle of this pandemic, and I was nowhere because I was locked down at home. I decided somewhere in July, August, okay, if I'm still allowed, I'll join you guys. And you are still pulling me. I'm still deep in underground, but you are going to bring me up slowly and slowly. Thank you so much, Meena Mami, for your inspiration and all the motivation you always have provided towards me and everybody else, all my fellow students, Vidyarthis, Chhatras.
We want everyone to join and increase our Sanskrit family.
Meena Mami, you have to unmute. Unmute.
I was so amazed with this performance that I don't even know where I am. I'm just in seventh heaven. So it has been a beautiful journey for us. A wonderful 3 years, actually. But today was just so amazing. Everyone surprised me in one way or another. They did so extremely well. It is just amazing. Just given a chance, they can do anything. That's what I feel now. So I thank you all for being with me all these 3 years. As I said, it's very easy to lose your students in Sanskrit. We have found it everywhere, especially in New York area. You start off a class with 20 students, and at the end of 6 months, there are about 5 left. But I'm really happy that we didn't start off with too many. But we are keeping it up, keeping the numbers there. So, but your performances today were just amazing. And I'm sure whoever has come today, I saw quite a few people, quite a few of my own friends who have been kind enough to come and watch this. They were all very enthusiastic and very happy to be here. So, and all the others, YICG, Rati and all her wonderful team, they have been amazing to me. And so giving this chance today, I'm very, very happy. Thank you all very much. Thank every one of you. It was all my pleasure all these 3 years. And I hope to continue for as long as I can. Thank you all.
Thank you, Meena Mami. We love
Thank you
your
so
class
much.
and we love
Thank you.
forever.
Thank you.
पुनर्मिलामः
Punarmilamaha.